My hair needs a lot of love because I love experimenting with hair color and different styles. And that's why I used to get a hair spa every month. But let's be realistic here. Sometimes you just cannot go to a salon or you do not want to spend as much every month on a hair spa. Whatever your reasons might be, your hair, just like mine, deserve the benefits of a hair spa every month. So here we go with a hair spa at home. So let's begin with step 1. Take a little oil in a bowl and heat it up for a bit. Use a cotton ball or your fingers to gently apply the oil to your scalp and then to your hair. Massage with your fingertips for about 5 to 10 minutes. Use a hot towel to cover your hair while you wait for the oil to absorb. You can keep this on for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it is time to shampoo the hair. Use a good shampoo that suits your hair. I like to go for a product with natural ingredients that will bring a healthy shine to my hair. Towel dry your hair and avoid using heat or heat products to dry them off. And now it is time to deep condition the hair. While I use a conditioner each time I wash my hair, but for a hair spa I am using this deep conditioning hair mask. Apply the mask starting at the root of the hair all the way to the tip. Take your time with this. Rinse off the mask with cool water. Let your hair dry naturally and comb them out. So that's how you do a hair spa at home. And if you are like me, who doesn't love a good hair day every day? Go for it and try this one out. Here's hoping you have a great spa day at home.